What's up, guys? My name's Sean and welcome to my garage. I guess we're going to be documenting some of the stuff I do to my car, which is an 03 G35. We will be checking out, a bunch of drift events. I think my buddy signed up for Michigan Drift, which is in May. So definitely we'll be documenting that and some other local events. But yeah, this is the old VQ that came in this car when I originally had it. We took it to the track maybe twice, and it was a little low on oil, and it blew her up, spun a bearing. But got a really good deal on this out of an 05 G, I believe. Super low mileage, which is awesome. I guess we're gonna be checking out my buddy Nate and his Sc300. He's initially the guy that got me into drifting, so he's basically where I learned everything from. I have a few other buddies that have drift cars or drift cars in the works, so we'll be checking out some of that stuff. My dad's garage is basically where I learned everything, and I've put a lot of work in there. He's got all kinds of cars, so we'll be checking in periodically with him and his neighbor to see what he's got going on if you're into older muscle cars and stuff like that, switch it up a little bit. But similar stuff coming soon for this car. So we got some camber arms here because we're sitting on springs right now, unfortunately, no coils yet, but the stock camber arms cannot adjust all this camber out, and you can't really see it maybe, but it's pretty bad. It's at least 3 degrees or more. And then got some solid aluminum subframe bushings. I've already done the diff bushings, and the stock subframe bushings are not liking the welded diff. I just recently bought a tow vehicle, so some basic maintenance on that. Got the mandatory stack of tires and all kinds of leftover parts from doing the engine swap. But yeah, basically we're gonna be drifting the piss out of this car hopefully this summer. Hopefully it all holds up, and doing it with friends. So we're gonna go check out my buddy's Sc300, who was, I think I'd already pre-filmed this before I filmed this, and yeah, he's doing his hydro, so we're gonna go check that out. Back at Nate's house. I think he's got his hydro all done, got the new calipers in, and he just sent me a picture. He's got it pulled out of his garage, so. So did you get the new calipers and everything, or what? So have you driven it yet? So you're gonna drive it? When? Well, let's fucking drive this thing. Does the hydro feel better? Really? For right there, were you moving much at all? Really, that's it? Holy shit, this little bit just locks it up. Just a little. That's fucking wild. So there's like this little bit of play that does nothing, and anything after that locks it up. Holy fuck. I couldn't imagine what would happen if you actually. I don't think you'll have a problem jamming your hand into hitting this. I was gonna say, I mean, normally if I hit first, I'm open hand and it. Tony's fixing this, huh? Well, he had to do that with all them fiberglass kits that he got, right? So you're gonna handle all this here? So you're just like, fuck it? Dude, it looks a lot fucking lower now. That might be why.
gonna say, where the hell's the new Sc300? But so have you decided yet if you're taking everything from this chassis and putting it into this one? Definitely need to put those wheels on that car. Well, I don't know if I... Fuck it. Squad. You need to go put some fucking air in your tire, boy. Jesus. Well, shit. So hopefully this whole thing will be black. Match my car, kind of. This will be donor car number 2, and it'll all be going into this one. It's pretty fucking clean. Auto tragic, but got all the parts to swap everything, so should be good. Oh, the e-brake works.